Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how I decorated my bathroom. Just keep watching. I use this canvas art from Kirkland's as my focal point and as my inspiration for all the rest of my decor. These two middle wall flowers came from Hobby Lobby, and I love how they play off of the flowers in the canvas print. This decorative mirror came from Kirkland's, and I just love lots of mirrors in the bathroom in case I need to look at myself from different angles. This beautiful vase came from Ross, and I decided not to put flowers in the vase this time. This floral arrangement from HOMEGOODS fits in perfectly with my color theme. This ceramic plate came from Ross, and this is not the typical place for a decorative plate, but I love the design on this plate, so I threw it in the bathroom. I love this rose gold paper towel holder from Big Lots. It matches my ceramic plate perfectly. One of my favorite things in this bathroom is this shower curtain from Bed Bath & Beyond. I love the bling on it. If you're looking for decorative towels for less, try Ross. That's where I picked mine up from. And I just placed a napkin ring holder around the orange towels that I got from STEINMART. Now I'm just placing this set of rugs that I got from Burlington down on the floor. This lighted tree from Kirkland's adds the final touch. This is the final look. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button down below. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.